Hello everybody, my name is Lizix, and welcome back to Windows 7. Actually, it did find updates, and we're in! Here we go. Ooh, it downloaded Microsoft Edge! Did you just change my default browser? Not that I can tell. Anyway, today, the objective is to see if I can run a couple of emulators, or really just 2 emulators, and see if they can run any games. Out of the box, I know they shouldn't. I've got the emulator back on my... That's not the right drive. That's the right drive. This is my Windows 11 drive here. Here's the no DLC one. And it won't boot. It'll just error out, and I click OK, and it will close. But that's okay, because there's another emulator we're going to try out. And I actually haven't tested the other emulator, so let's see how that goes. Good. No. Guitar Hero 2, Xbox 360, Xenia. X360 CE, bitches, but that's fine. Who cares about X360 CE? Will it just work? This is crazy if this just works. Is the game even... The game seems to be good. I think this should be built. But it does not seem to be displaying. That's okay. Because I'm pretty sure... Whoa, nice word wrap. Word wrap? That's cool. That's some great formatting you got there. Okay, so I need to download Notepad++, because I'm not going to deal with that. That's old Notepad right there. It doesn't even know what it's doing. Stable. Will you work? Does this still work on Windows 7 without any adjustments? Oh wow, it does work. Okay, that's cool. I got Notepad++. I just... Okay. What are we looking for? GPU. We're looking for Vulkan. There we go. We're gonna change that to DirectX. And it crashes. Okay. Let's give it null. So there's no graphics. I'll just like put my headphones on to see if I can hear it. Nothing. I don't think anything's happening. It's just giving a long string of that. Well, so there you go. Both emulators don't work. End of the video. No, I'm just kidding. That's just the start of the video. Let's actually get RPCS3 going. This is the first one I'm gonna work with, because this is the easy one that I've already tested mostly. Let me grab the file that I need real quick. So today we're basically gonna be using a kernel X for Windows 7. That's pretty much what this is. It's called VXKex. File does not contain a virus. Or maybe it does. Gonna install that. Yes. So here's the settings. We can have logging enabled. Let's definitely have that. Allow, do all that. Add it to the context menu. Apply. And now we go back to RPCS3 here. Go to Properties. And then we have a Kernel X tab. Well, it's VXKex, but if I just enable it, I don't even think I need to report a different version if I just enable it. There you go, and it just boots. And it just works. Can you believe it? And this should actually still work. It even shows the operating system as Windows 7. Service Pack 1. What actually happens if I change the version? What if I report it as Windows 10? I probably have to restart it. Oh, it does actually report it as, it shows as Windows 10 right there. I'm not gonna update. We're just gonna go ahead and not boot that. Cause my games don't show up. That's what's going on. My games aren't actually there. Alright, let's drag in Rock Band 2. Okay. Now we'll boot. Yep, it's just gonna load what I already have there in the cache. This might be the quickest installation ever. If this just works. Compiling PPU modules. What the fuck? I can't believe it. It just works. You can hear the audio from my headphones, kinda. We're just in! It's compiling shaders. Oh yeah, I forgot. It's gonna compile shaders because this is, I'm just gonna turn on autoplay. It's gonna compile shaders because this is a different graphics card. I forgot I put a different graphics card in. This is technically, this is just put on Eye of the Tiger and see what happens. It's just working. Hello? This is not what I was expecting at all. I should have known this is what was gonna happen. I'm gonna mute that before I get copyrighted. But yeah, as you can see, the game is running just fine. Surprisingly, I thought I would have to go through a bunch of hoops to actually get the game to boot up, and probably would have failed anyway. I had a feeling this might happen because I I tried this in a virtual machine, and of course, since the graphics drivers on a virtual machine sucks ass, I didn't get a video output, but I could hear the sound of the game. But it just works. I'm gonna get the computer. Let me get my system properties up. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this and post it in the Discord. Just be like, hey guys, it works. Oh shit. I forgot. Snipping, I have to actually open snipping tool. Oh my god. I have not used Windows 7 screenshot in so long. I didn't realize that my camera stopped recording, but we're trying out Xenia now. And we have hit a wall with Direct3D 12. Do I not have DirectX 12 installed? Direct 3D 12 Windows 7. Can DirectX 12 be downloaded for Windows 7? Windows 7 does not support DirectX 12. Microsoft did add a compatibility layer that allows select DirectX 12 games, blah blah blah. Per Windows Update, it is not a separate installer. I'll work on that later. Instead, let's not use Direct3D 12 then. No, let's switch it back to Vulkan, which is what I tried at first. I don't know. Okay. Okay. We've got it loaded up. Plop the game in. I have a bad feeling about this. I have a bad feeling this is just not gonna work. Well, I can always get a pre-installed. Downloads. Let's get pre-installed Xbox 360. Guitar Hero 2. This won't have any of the... No, it will have the songs because those are built into my emulator. Or should be built into the emulator. Yeah, all of my songs are part of the emulator, so that should be fine. Oh, good. Look at this download speed, 16 megabytes a second. That's fine. It should be done now. Okay. We're just gonna extract all, and maybe with some magic, this will just work if I just do this and boom. Well, oh, nice focus. Good job, camera. Okay. Vulcan's giving me nothing. I can't even... There's no audio output, I can tell you that for sure. Here, I can actually open up the volume mixer and you can... Yeah, you can see Xenia is not outputting anything to anything. Well... Xenia. Okay. Well, this is just standard Xenia, but you know what? Oh, it literally just says Vulkan on Windows 7. So, Xenia standard works. Xenia Canary. Canary experimental. Okay. Xenia Canary. Xenia is not for enabling the legal blah blah blah. Quick start guide, no. I've got my game. You fucker. Okay. So Xenia Canary. Let's try the pointless strong version reporting. Let's just barrel it through with kernel X. God damn it. So if I kernel X it, it will try to do D3D12. GPU equals any. Switch it to Vulkan. Xenia. Go. Well, that's a great start. Let's try Xenia standard. Let's go good old classic Xenia. Like the proper Xenia, almost, I guess. If you want to call it that. Proper Xenia. Pointless. Don't stop asking me if I want to run the file. Go. God damn it, dude. Okay, so it is a problem with Xenia Canary. It is actually a problem with Xenia Canary. That's a problem because I kind of need this APU max queued frames. What's the start button? Man, it's been so long. There's the start button. Well, we've got Xenia Standard, but I knew that was gonna work, because it said it was gonna work, but Xenia Canary! Is there a, Canary old? I'm gonna search for max queued frames. Did I spell it wrong? I don't think I did. But maybe I did. No, code? Oh, you need me to sign in? Why would it not be there? What the hell? So I actually just went through the code, because I'm a nerd, and I went through the code, and I found the version. So now I just have to... August 21st, 2022... June 2023... So is this the oldest one that we have? Okay, I'm just gonna say that this is the earliest one that we have in August of 22, and we're gonna try again because I don't trust that. Xenia Canary, replace. Run. Okay, reload. There's max queued frames. Can I boot the game though? I can! Oh my god! Oh! There's no audio! And then we're gonna get that to 3. Let me check the volume mixer, close out RPCS 3. This is the right Xenia. Boot it up. Oh, I can see it doing things. Did I accidentally pull my audio cable? Oh no, I muted it. That's right. It works! And just to make sure that wasn't a fluke, I'm gonna copy the content from my latest Xenia. Check here, make sure I have the extension mask. Detecting, this might be where it's fucking up, is it's just not getting the right x64 extensions from my thing, but I don't feel like that's right. License mask should be set to 1. Where's the license mask? License mask. Set it to 1! I bet the audio was actually working and I didn't realize. This probably was unnecessary. And I could set it back to any. Are we still copying? No, we're good. Okay. Boot up that. Go to my actual build. And it just works? I should have seen this. Well. Okay. Oh. Oh, that's good. Oh yeah, that's real nice. I have to actually task manager kill this. Yeah, and now. That's not a good start. Let's try from here. Because maybe my current build is just broken. Are we good now? We're good now. Okay. It was just my build is broken. My current build is broken. That's great to hear. But it does work. Is it part of my config? Let me see what happens if I copy. Yeah, it's just copy and replace. Because I still have the zip. Yeah, I still have the zip right there. Okay. Let's see if that actually works, because I do want to see what my theme looks like. If I have, like, a saved theme or anything. I think I was using default theme near the end just for, like, testing purposes. But I want to make sure. Don't. Yeah, okay, so my settings work. So yeah, my current build is just broken. That's great to know. I love when my problem is because of past me and not current me. Like, fuck that guy. Now I gotta screenshot this too. Actually, I'm gonna, just so I have it in the same place, I'm gonna screenshot from Rock Band 2, which I think my build works there, hopefully. Oh, that's not gonna work. Okay, this will work. Yep, it works. This is funny. I didn't even need Kernel X for this. This just works. This just works. This is an older build of Xenia. Why am I Kernel Xing it? Hold on. Check this out. I am going to disable Kernel X for Xenia. Stop. Like, actually focus on my monitor, please. Thanks. Yeah, it just works. Well, I've been wasting my time with Kernel X. It's just the new builds are fucked. There's nothing I can do about it. But that works. Snipping tool. Window. New. And Xenia. And Xenia? I'm not even gonna screenshot it. That should be known. Actually, I'll post it anyway. Alright, so that's the first plan of action. So that's done. Let's see what else we can do with Kernel X here. So my first idea with Kernel X, now that I know that RPCS 3 works and this wasn't a huge waste of time, is just delete all of that. Oh, this is not gonna work. I forgot to enable Kernel X. So it's gonna load GeForce Experience and be like, yeah, GeForce Experience requires Windows 10. So, let's enable Kernel X. Ah, okay. Well, I expected that. Now we have to report Windows 11. How about now? How do you like that? How you feel about that? Fuck you! That's right. It works. Agree and install. We're installing latest GeForce Experience. I'm gonna get the latest drivers. Which means I could install my RTX 4060 Ti. In theory. That may or may not work. But I'm hopeful. Unless it gets stuck on preparing to install, then this... Oh. Properties? Not task manager. Performance. That's not good. Resource monitor. Setup is not responding. Disk. None? Okay. Well, okay, maybe not. It did get past the error though, so I mean I'll give it that. Okay. Well, let's see. I'm just gonna go ahead and quit Discord and see if Discord will like kernel X. Let's just report Windows 10. Well, that's fun. Yeah. I actually have to open the file location and actually go to the exe itself to report it as Windows 10. Nope. Still shows as out of date. Well, it's not going to stop me. If I go to the properties, enable kernel extensions, oh, and we also have to go into here and actually go to the Discord exe and do the same thing. Now will it work? No, because MSVW10 is missing. Okay, let's not do that then. I have completely borked my Discord install. It's completely gone. Oh, fuck. Okay, we're good. So, you cannot update Discord. That's unfortunate. That's fine. We can just, move past that then. What was I doing? Drivers. NVIDIA GeForce drivers. That's not gonna work. You know that. GTX 1650 drivers, driver downloads. Let's go to the old page. Yeah, there we go. 1650 Windows 10 64-bit. Search. Go. And we're getting now. This is just the straight driver download. So maybe it's something up with GeForce Experience, and it will still do the driver download. I don't know. So we're going up almost 100 versions here. Old GeForce Experience still works though. Yeah, this works. Skip. Yeah, this is fine. I wonder how it's going to react when so sanity check. For no reason, sanity check. We're just gonna do this. I don't know where it's saving to. I probably should have checked that. It should be fine. It will just error out and be like, you're on an old Windows. Fuck you. Or should. Yeah, checking system compatibility, and we'll just error out because not compatible with Windows 7. That's fine. We're just gonna rerun it. We're just gonna use the version reporting at first and see what happens. Okay. See NVIDIA display driver. Okay, that's not helpful. So this is not using kernel X. I can still see the performance graphs, the tiny little performance graphs. Okay, how's the version reporting work? This might actually end up bad if the driver actually works. Nope. Alright. Kernel exit. Shit. Well, that was unfortunate, but a little bit expected. GeForce is just not going to allow us to install newer drivers. Shit. Well, I guess we could try out some other things. Let's get Steam. Download now on Steam. Squad. Yeah, cause I asked for Squad. Let's get Steam. Yeah. 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 Is Steam just gonna work? I didn't know Steam was just gonna work like that. But I have other things I want to do. It's not just Steam. Let's just make sure we have Steam up and running. Now I gotta sign in with the QR code. Well, it's working? What's going on here? Steam will stop running on Windows 7 in 0 days. I mean, it seems to be fine. I don't know what you're talking about. Here. I'll kernel X this. I knew it would be I knew it would complain. But let's go ahead and right, you're not an EXE. Fuck you. I forgot I didn't have it set to auto sign in. Cause the shortcut it doesn't work. God damn it. I gotta actually do it from here. Kernel X. Do all the things. Make it Windows 11 for no reason. Go. Oh, now you're downloading more updates. How nice of you. I might have just stopped Steam from working entirely, but that worth it. It's installing the update. It's taking a while. Okay. Well, we seem to be okay. I'll scan the QR code. Okay, that is not good. We have an exception breakpoint. Breakpoint has been reached. Shit. Whoa. It's just gonna keep trying? I can't even open the Steam menu. What the fuck? Library. Okay. Okay, so let's see if I can, Windows breakpoint point 0x8. I think that might be too many zeros. Mainly the result of a Windows registry mix-up that leftover keys of uninstalled applications could trigger. Well, that's not helpful. Because it's not an actual, it's because I'm kernel Xing it. I have to kill Steam. I need to kill Steam. I have to log into Steam. End a task. Okay? What the fuck? Steam. End the Steam process. Just end the process in general. Are we good? Steam is dead. That's cool. What if I turn off kernel X but leave the Windows reporting? Okay, we're downloading more Steam updates. I wonder if this was actually a downgrade because it's like, oh, you're not actually Windows 11 or something. To log in again. I'm just gonna fucking set it to remember, even though that's a bad idea because this is Windows 7. I'll set it to remember and just log out once I'm done. Okay, we're back up. We're going. We're going. We've crashed. We're going. It still thinks it's Windows 7, even though I gave it the kernel X. Well, I gave it the reporting a different version. So the version reporting does nothing. If I actually change it, I have to quit out of Steam again. If I change it, it will just crash. Yeah, it hasn't even... Was that just a bad version of Steam? Is it working? I don't have any hard drive indicators. There's buttons. What in the fuck? What the hell? Okay, so it still thinks it's Windows 7. Can I get to the library? I can't see anything! Okay, so don't kernel X. What if I kernel X plus reporting? It will install another update! Because now it thinks it's Windows 10, so it's gonna install another update. That makes no sense, because I had it showing as Windows 10, but didn't have kernel X enabled, and it didn't install an update. I'm so confused. What the hell? Then we get the breakpoint. I know. I get it. So I have to go back in a task manager, I have to go back to Steam, I have to end the process. Okay, so we've hit another wall where Steam will not Steam, and if I turn off kernel X, then it's gonna go back to the Windows 7 version, even though I have it reporting as Windows 10. That's cool. Alright. Well, well, I can work with that. Okay, anyway. Even though it's not doing that, let's see if CS2 will actually install. Okay, it will reserve the space. Does CS2 actually support, go to the store page. Does this actually support Windows 7? I didn't think it supported Windows 7. System requirement. Yeah, OS is Windows 10. Okay. But will it just work? Oh, you have to download the Steamworks Common Redistributables as well? This is gonna take a while. I'll be back. Alright, the download is done. So what happens? What do you... Oh, I have an admin prompt. Okay. Running install script. Fucking put you install scripts. I don't care about the install scripts. I just need you to play the game. It seems to be doing something. Look at that. Look at that wheel. Oh, we're running. That's interesting. We're not running. Okay. Well, guess what I can do? Kernel X. I don't think I even need the reporting. I just need the kernel X. I just needed the kernel X. That's the brightest Valve logo I've ever seen. That's so bright, holy shit. We're just... Congratulations to Navi! Graphics driver out of date. Okay. How do I Steam overlay? Do I not have Steam overlay? Settings. In-game. Enable the Steam overlay. Okay. I need to restart the game so the Steam overlay will actually Steam overlay. That's crazy! Kernel X works? In-game. Yep, Steam overlay. Okay. OpenCS2. Imagine, I shouldn't have done this on my main account. If this gives me a VAC ban, I'm gonna be pissed. Let it be known that if this gets me a VAC ban, I have the proof. Right here, I have the video of why I got VAC banned. Although seeing that actual cheaters are not being VAC banned, I do believe I won't be VAC banned. Let's go full screen, full screen. I can't remember how to net graph in CS2. Let me alt tab. Thank you. CS2 net graph. Is it still CQ net graph? Is this CQ net graph? Okay, but like, what's the command? Just tell me, just... Just shut up.
One of the things it did add was this to...
Oh, it's in the telemetry tab? The what tab? Telemetry. Always. Show frame time and FPS. Always. Okay. Let's start up. God damn it. You know why that is? You know why I have no signatures? It's because I turned them off. So I'm pretty sure like if I, properties, verify integrity. I don't even know if, I don't think verifying the integrity will do jack shit. Maybe I can't play. We're so close to the CS2 greatness on, Windows 7. God damn it. Kernel X. You failed. Digital signatures? That's fine. That signature's there. It's gotta be because... It's gotta be because I disabled the signature check for the driver. Maybe I have to do this a different way so I can have the signature check proper for the driver so everything else works as well. I don't know. Or maybe it's just because VAC just literally does not work on Windows 7, and that could be a big issue. Oh, it's still validating. I thought it was about to be done validating. Okay, we're done. Let's start it from here. Failed to load Tier 0 DLL. It's right there. What do you mean module can't be found? Is that because I'm reporting a different version of Windows? No. Well, that's very, very odd indeed. So I have to boot CS2 from the EXE. Yeah, then it just works. I think. Maybe. Hello? Oh, that's not good. Oh, something has gone very wrong. Uh... I can't do anything. I don't know if you can tell. That's just flickering. What is going on here? Jesus. Can I Alt F4? No. My mouse has stopped functioning. I'm gonna have to restart the computer. Okay, so I've gotten an older version of NVIDIA drivers, so I'm no longer in test mode. Let's try Counter-Strike 2 again, off of test mode, because maybe it was test mode causing the issues. Boot it up. My camera's about to die. We gotta make this quick. Make it quick. Make it snappy. Yeah, driver out of date. Fuck! So I just can't play. I just can't play online. Let's try the reporting a different version again. I don't think that'll make a difference, but yeah. Nope. So I just can't play online. If I play offline, it should just work. Yeah, it's just working. Like, this should not be any sort of surprise. Shit. Oh, what the f... Why is my sense so low? Okay, I don't know why my sense feels so low. This is my standard sense. But for some reason it feels like I'm moving at snail's pace here. Also, I think it's trying to alt-tab me out of the game every time I click. Yeah, it's trying to do something with the screen every time I click. Well. Oh, it's like fake not responding. Is that because of the version, or is it just... I don't know. Well, and if I turn off kernel X, it just doesn't boot. Wait, what? What? Wait, what? Wait, I turned off kernel X. Okay, my game file signature is still invalid, but... What? I turned off kernel X. And now it boots? I don't understand this. What do you mean? So the only problem is that the file signatures are fucked. So I didn't actually turn signatures back on all the way? Hold on. Oh my god, that's so stupid. Okay, so the fix was to set it to boot with Vulkan. And now it just works. That's stupid. But it works now. I don't know what to say. Yeah, it just works. I'm in. I'm playing. Okay, I have to like I died. Okay. Jesus Christ, I just spawned. Okay, maybe sensitivity 5 is a little bit much. God, why is Vulcan being Vulcan? I don't know if this is a Vulcan thing, a Win 7 thing, or what. This is running a lot worse than it does when I'm playing normally. I can tell you that much. What the fuck? It's not even ping. My ping is fine. Oh my god, I got a kill. I'm dead. Video settings? Advanced video. Turn it to low. Low preset. I think I died again. Yeah. Ow. So I got my frames back. Kinda. Yeah, but this is not stable. Oh, I got a scout. Yeah, this is unstable. Shooting is very unstable. What the f- Because I think it's like trying to like do all the shader stuff and it just doesn't know what is going on. But hey, it actually booted and it's actually loaded into a match now, which is interesting. Me when movement. I gotta change my sense back when I go back to Windows 11. Oh my god. Yeah, it's gotta load all the info for every single weapon. Oh. That's fun. So I guess if I just, like, kept using different weapons, it would be fine eventually. Whoo, I got the kill. I didn't even know I got the kill. I actually don't know what's causing the hitching. I'm very lost on what's... I mean, I'm just gonna, like, leave it down to it's Windows 7. What if I go full screen? Is it not gonna lock my computer up? Okay, it didn't lock my computer up this time. Can you play the game, please? How the fuck are... No way! No way! Yo! It says yo! Sup? Okay, no, we're still hitching. Okay. I mean, I'll take it. So if I wanted to play CS2 on Windows 7, I could. I didn't even need kernel X for this. Again, the system requirements are literally just lying. Saying that you need Windows 10. Because I'm running it on Windows 7. Oh my god, I hit that. What the f- I gotta play on Windows 7 more. Ow, never mind. Okay. Alright, so there you go. CS2 does work on Windows 7, but it's Not a good experience. I'll put it windowed. For some reason, it's like super laggy. I don't know why. I'm just gonna close the game. So the fix was the method one worked. Not the run as admin. I didn't do that. I just entered dash Vulkan and it worked. So I'm guessing it was trying to run it with DirectX, and DirectX is just a bitch on Windows 7 because it's outdated. But anyway, that's about it for Windows 7. I can now get rid of this fucking OS. I don't want to see this ever again. Thanks for watching. I'm Lizix. Peace out.